All right, so today I'm working on the forklift. I got a 79 Clark C300-40, 3-stage. So this is stage 3 right there. This one is stage 2 right here. Yeah. And then stage 1 is this one here. And I got it set up on my jig so it doesn't fall over. The ram is right there, beautifully already done, re-chromed and everything. So I'm gonna see if I can start working on this. It's getting warm out here, so I have time now.
It was $800.
And then I already got new sheaths for it, I already got new shims for it. This has been a long time coming as well. So wish me luck, people. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.